Hi, I have decided to show it over an example rather than putting it in PowerPoints. It will be hopefully more time efficient. So this is a paper I prepared using headings. As you see, I do have a navigation pane on the left-hand side. Maybe it's a better idea. How do I get to see that navigation pane? If I prepare my paper with the headings. So you go to View, and you click on the check on the navigation pane box, and that will be there. So because we have prepared our paper with headings, we can see the outline of the paper, and we can click on each section, and we can go to the sections related to that, appendix, another appendix, and references. So if we prepare our paper with headings, then when we have the navigation pane open on the left-hand side of the paper, we can see the sections and subsections and the other key constructs of the paper easily. Other things, if I want to go one section, I can just simply click to that section and it's going to take me there. The other benefits, say that I have decided significance of White and Mesa study should come actually before this section. So I'm going to move it there. Bam, it's there. So all I need to do, I need to change this section numbers, maybe adjust it to 1.2 and go here and adjust this guy to 1.3, and data collection and analysis will be 1.4 by going to the sections related. The other thing, I forgot to add my table of contents before I submit my paper. So I need to add my table of contents there. So now first I need to insert a blank page. So I go to Insert button and add a blank page. Now I need to go ahead and locate my cursor on that blank page. So I want to enter my table of contents starting from here, maybe a little bit down. No, it's not happening. Okay. Maybe in the middle of the page, starting here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and choose references on the menu, and it will pop up this menus here. Then I'm gonna click table of contents and choose one of them, whichever style, because you can adjust the styles later on. And as you see, because I have prepared my paper by using table of contents, the table of contents section is also here. So now you can close the navigation pane, and you can go ahead and adjust and write here table of contents. Sorry. All right. And we need to adjust the abstract page, and it needs to be page 1. I will try to explain it later on, but the purpose of having a table of contents is when we control click, that will take us to that page immediately. Yeah, so these are the wizards of the words that we can use. Hope it helps.